So after we got married and we moved to Bangalore, we realized that the rental price in Bangalore is already, skyrocketing. Even for us, when we chose the apartment, we were paying close to 35 or 40,000. It could be a good time where we could start looking for, actually having our own house.
Like before going on to PropSource, we were first of all like looking all by ourselves. When we started giving yearly subscriptions, there were few other third party. Then we started hiring the brokers as well. Actually, the point was everyone was doing their job, but we ourselves didn't had a clear vision what we wanted.
First thing is something which you want to do is decide your budget. We started the budget at around 1.5 CR, and when we went into the market, we already realized that it's already past. Yeah, we are already late.
There were a lot of factors to consider, but we actually didn't know कि कौन सा factor पहले consider करना है या सब कुछ चाहिए, क्योंकि हम लोग के list में सब कुछ था. Natural भी चाहिए, कम पैसे में भी चाहिए, ज्यादा बड़ा मकान भी चाहिए, सब कुछ चाहिए, बट एक्चुअल फेयर डील क्या है वो नहीं पता. जब हम लोग को एक्चुअली नीड फील हुई,
then I think you called Ashish.
So I was like, what is the price? He said this much amount. I was like, really? Are you sure? Because I was like, यार इतनी कम में कौन करता है, मतलब CRs में घर दिला रहा है, thousands में ले रहा है. And when the first day she asked me like, what are your list, what I have the properties have you seen. Second time she told me prioritize करो. That was the time I realized this is the best call I've made. When Suti asked me to prioritize, then I started thinking कि oh actually budget and size दोनों fit नहीं होगा. Somewhere I have to compromise. Somewhere I have to fix the first priority as third. First time we actually made this call कि हम लोगों ने prioritize किया, and that's how we have to prioritize in life.
Bangalore's topography is very unusual. The second thing which was pretty striking was, the sunlight. In every house, you would like to have sunlight throughout the day, but, in flats, it's really difficult.
Okay, and the third thing was like, we actually liked one property before meeting PropSource, but बाद में पता चला through PropSource people like कि उसके पीछे कब्रिस्तान है. मेरे भाई को ही पता चला था कि पीछे ट्रेन आती है, रेलवे ट्रैक है, आवाज बहुत आएगी. तो ये सारे फैक्टर्स जो हैं वो हम लोग को नहीं बताते हैं इन जनरल लोग.
I think the peace of mind report, you don't get it anywhere in the market.
That is actually a peace of mind.
It's actually peace of mind. It actually buys you peace of mind. Definitely to any home buyer, I think we would recommend to have this report. Even if you buy the property or not, at least the peace of mind report tells you the facts and the figures to whether go ahead or not.
Like it tells us like so many things. Like the best part about PropSource is like वो लोग हम लोग को वास्तु consultants.
Yeah, we had a vastu consultant.
Yeah, exactly we had. Like कि यार बाद में ना पता चले after 2 years कि यार इसका वास्तु ही खराब है. तो thank God they help us. like ये सही हो सकता है अगर आपको यही चाहिए तो.
I think the first thing is you need to understand the wants and the needs. I think, and this is where I think PropSource comes. I mean, you would want basic things. You would want that the roads are lighted up, there are shops nearby. You wouldn't want to take your apartment in outskirts which is yet to be developed. There's no road. Having that is really important, and I think this is where PropSource comes.
They will help you in this whole journey. Yeah. You have to make the call and help you कि क्या करना है, what you want. They will tell you. अंदर से आवाज आएगी कि तुम्हें क्या चाहिए. They are best in this market as of right now.
These are the kind of products which you look in the market which are typically not available.
House is not like buying a sofa. A lot of financial and your emotional commitment goes into it. If you're actually thinking of buying a home but you don't know where to start from, just hire them. They will do all the things for you, but they will involve you in this process. They won't just want to close the deal ki lo, the way the other people does it for you. Have done their thorough research, time waste nahi karna hai, just go with them.